A gift made by God to mankind. That is how the land of Mehedinti can be described. Nature was generous with these lands, making people enjoy the unique relief carved by the Danube, and the existence of special flora and fauna elements, many of them being listed in scientific reservations. There are many wild animals and birds in the area, which require special attention. There can still be seen wild horses in Mehedinti, which seem to be drawn from ancient times, a connection between the magical and the concrete, a natural metaphor of the present. The weather belongs to the continental temperate climate with slight Mediterranean influences. Giving the impression of virgin nature, tourists enjoy the area of the hollows in any season, a region of unspoiled beauty of the Danube gorges, while the river is crossing the Carpathians for over 9 kilometers. The Iron Gates Natural Park is one of the 8 Ramsar sites in Romania. This site, due to its climatic, hydrographic, geomorphological conditions, which blend harmoniously with the floristic biodiversity, represents a real entomologic, herpetologic and ornithological sanctuary unexplored from a scientific point of view. The site comprises unique wetlands, rare or representative, including the Iron Gates Lake and the surrounding mountains called the Almös and Lokvei Mountains. It is characterized by wide spout mouths of the Danube tributaries and small human settlements that create favorable conditions for preserving the natural ecosystems. The large reed and rush surfaces ensure reproduction, nesting conditions and food for many species of birds. There are 34 types of habitats in the strictly protected area, while 210 species of birds out of the 500 species known in Europe meet here, either as sedentary, nesting species or just passing by. The Iron Gates hydropower station of 2,050 megawatts power is the first in Europe of this size. Its location was chosen 15 kilometers upstream Drobeta Tunu-Severin city, in an area known as the most dangerous place on the Danube because of the cataracts. The problem of the sailing line, often raised by the European Commission, was solved once the dam was built, and the accumulation lake, which appeared, was the largest in the world, being over 140 kilometers long. This lake stretches from the dam to the confluence with the Tisa River, comprising the Danube Defile, the largest in Europe, spread between Baziash and Orshova. The power station is an architectural and technological greatness, with many original and spectacular elements. The Kaplan turbine hall and the whole network of giants inside the dam and on its terraces. The Iron Gates, on a simple evaluation, is one of the most impetuous and expensive achievements of all times for Romania. These grand works required significant sacrifices too. Once flooded the place behind the dam, Adakale became history. The natives tried to preserve it in one way or another. The cultural patrimony moved to museums all over the country, but the largest part of the Turkish stronghold was moved and rebuilt on the Shimian island.